In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Google Playbooks. First, open the Google Playbooks app. Before we get into the steps, it's important to understand that while you can change the app's interface language, you cannot change the language of a book itself unless the author has uploaded it in that specific language. For example, if you open a book and look through the menus or tap on the three-dot options, you won't find a setting that changes the book's language. Instead, you'll need to search for the book in your preferred language version. To do this, go to the search bar inside the app and type the title of the book you want. If it's not available in your language, tap on the filter icon at the upper left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the language option and select your desired language. Tap Apply, and the search results will refresh. If the book has a version in your chosen language, it will appear here. Simply open it, and you can then start reading in that language. If you want to change the overall language of the app interface itself, you'll need to adjust your device language settings. To do this, open your phone's Settings app and search for Languages and Input. Tap on this option, then select Languages and then tap on Other Languages. From here, select your preferred one. Apply it, and the system language on your phone will change. As a result, Google Playbooks will also display its menus and interface in this new language. However, note that the titles and text of the books themselves will not automatically change, since those depend on the versions provided by the authors. And this is how you can change language in Google Playbooks.